welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to show you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I will be going to Walgreens again this week because I really want to stock up on the Irish Springs and the Softsoap. I ended up getting extra coupons because I like doing that deal. I like stocking up on that deal. So I will be doing a second haul, so I'm going to try to find some other deals for you. But otherwise, I really enjoyed Walgreens this week. It went out pretty good. Ended up becoming a moneymaker for me, which I absolutely love. So I'm like in my basement and it's like super bright outside. So it's like shining in here and then my video is like dark. So it just bothers me. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I'm pretty excited. So the first deal that you guys want to do, hopefully you guys can do this deal, is the Irish Spring deal. Irish Springs is on sale for $3.99. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys would end up paying $5.98 for these. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points if you want. If you do, you don't get those bonus points that, like, if you're using that thing that's in the ad or a Catalina, you don't get those points if you pay with points. But to get these points, you guys can pay with points. So if you guys want, you can pay with points, not pay with points. But anyways, you'll get 5,000 points no matter what for buying two of these, making these just 98 cents for both of them. That comes out to be like 49 cents a piece. That is an awesome, awesome, awesome deal. I love it when I can get Irish Spring for 98 cents for two of them. The Softsoap deal is just about the same deal also, but the coupons are not as good. But hey, you know what? For the price that you guys get it for, this is still a good price. So Softsoap, $3.99, but there's two 75-cent off coupons that you guys want to use. You guys would pay $6.48 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 5,000 points for buying two of them. Again, you can pay with points and get points. It's just up to you guys. But you guys will get these for $1.48. So that comes out to be like 75 cents, 74 cents a piece. So ended up getting those, which I absolutely love. I'm so sad, like, they discontinued the color that I like. This is Juicy Pomegranate and Mango Infusions. Not a big fan of the smell, but hey, I know other people would. I try when I go couponing. I don't, unless I'm specifically going to use that. I always try to get a variety of stuff, because with me donating stuff and giving stuff away and stuff, you know, not everybody likes the same things I do. So there is that. Now, I thought there was going to be 3 different types of digital coupons on Walgreens for this Crest deal, but they only had just the toothpaste available. So this is a deal, if you guys want to do it or not, it's up to you. But the Crest is $2.99. Now there's only $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use, that it'll apply to it. So you guys would buy 3 of them, use that $1 digital coupon. You guys would pay $7.97 for 3 tubes of toothpaste. Now, I like this kind the best. But then you guys will get a $6 register reward, making them $1.97. So, not the best deal, but with the boosters that you guys can use to get points, and with the register reward, I think it's an okay deal. You should never really pay more than like 50 cents for toothpaste, but I don't know. I just wanted to share with you guys this deal in case you guys really need toothpaste. And there's people out there that pay full price for this stuff. So, hey, anything cheaper than full price is better than anything. So, had to share with you guys with that deal. I don't know why I'm putting my stuff in there. I have boxes now where I can put my stuff in, and then the husband puts them in my boxes. So, we got that going on. Speed stick. Now, my store didn't have hardly anything labeled, and they had one I know labeled, so I was like, I'll just grab those because I know those are for sure $1.99. So these were $1.99. there is a deal where you guys would want to use that buy one get one free coupon. So you guys would pay $1.99 for both of these. These come out to be just like 99 cents a piece or $1 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I still think that's a pretty good deal because these are usually $3 something if you guys bought it normally. So wanted to share with you guys with the speed stick deal. Yeah, sorry, I'm getting a little out of breath. I'm always craving orange soda after I get done couponing on Sundays. I don't know why. I just gotta drink this up. It's so cold outside. It's like 2 degrees outside that all of our pop or soda that's in the garage is starting to turn to slush because it's so cold outside. Okay, the next deal we did is the Arm & Hammer. Now, what you guys have, there are coupons out there for you guys, but I don't ever get those coupons. Even from the coupons that I order, still don't get them. But there are printable coupons that you guys can use on the Arm & Hammer website. And there's 3 different laundry detergent coupons that you guys can use. So there's a $1 off coupon for the Power Packs. There's a $1 off coupon for the regular Arm & Hammer. And there's also a $1 off coupon for the sensitive skin. Now these are on sale for $1.99. You guys can use 3 different coupons, 3 different $1 off coupons. You guys would just get these for 99 cents, which I think for 99 cents, I think that is an awesome deal for laundry detergent. So I always like, you know, stocking up on stuff when you can get it that cheap. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. The next deal, I wanted to do this deal, and what Walgreens surprised us, I looked this morning and I saw there's a 12 off of 4 coupon. Now in the ad it said there's a 3 off a coupon, and I'm just like, that sucks, but there's a $12 off coupon. Now here's the thing, of these different Herbal Essence, they have 3 different flavors or scents or whatever. I wanted the wild strawberry white something, but when I scanned it on my Ibotta app, that one said it doesn't exist. So I didn't get it because I wanted to make sure that I was not going to have problems with my Ibotta. So make sure you guys scan the product to make sure that that digital coupon is going to apply to it, because there's times where it's like it might apply to one, like just the shampoo but not the conditioner. So I always make sure I always scan the items that I'm getting if there's a digital coupon included, because then I know for sure that digital coupon will come off. And then I also make sure that the Ibotta, with the Ibotta app, that the Ibotta will take off, because I learned that these ones work for the Ibotta app but not the other ones. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these were 2 for $12. So you want to buy 4 of them for $24. Like, really? $24? That is ridiculous for 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. 24 bucks. But there is that digital coupon for $12 off of 4. Now I also had a digital coupon for $3 off, but I ended up taking that off because I know that coupon would come off and I want the $12 one. So I took that off. So if you guys have it, you might want to take it off. You might lose it, but you know what? I don't care. I want the $12 one off. So use that $12 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $12 for 4 of these, which is a pretty decent deal. But then you guys can submit on Ibotta $2. Now that deal does end soon, and since this is a hot item, it might end even sooner than that. But you guys will get $2, $2, $2, and $2. $8 back with Ibotta. That's 2 different rebates, which is awesome. I'm hoping to finish level 3 and 4 like very soon. So you guys will get $8 back with Ibotta. But then you guys will also get 4,000 points for buying 4 of them. Now this is a deal also where you guys can pay with your points if you want. Yeah, you can only pay up to $5, but hey, that's still a pretty good deal. So definitely do that. So this all becomes free. Free. Awesome. Free. Yeah, so I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I like it when I can get $24 worth of shampoo and conditioner for free. So that is that. I was stupid. I usually do separate transactions, but I was just in a hurry this week or today. I was just like, whatever, just do it all at once. And so she's like, oh yeah, your total's like 30 something bucks. And I'm like, oh snap. I'm like, oh well, not a big deal. So anyways, my total came to $31.59. I ended up getting that $6 register reward to use for that. I got $19 in points. The points were 5 for the Irish Spring, 5 for the Softsoap, 4 for the Herbal Essence, and then I had that you get the 5,000 points when you hit, or when you spend $20 or more. So right there is $19 worth of points. I also will be getting $8 back with Ibotta, which is super awesome. So my total came to be a $1.41 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made some money. So I was pretty excited about that. But yes, I'm going to try to do a second haul for you guys because I really want to do the Irish Springs and Softsoap deal again. And then we'll see what other deals pop out for us. But yeah, definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.